Hi, my name is Michelle and I want to welcome you to the Olive Oil Source. Today we'll be doing grilled asparagus with an anchovy vinaigrette. This is an excellent side dish that is perfect warm or cold with grilled fish, boiled potatoes, or even roasted vegetables. So let's get started. So we're going to start by cooking our asparagus. You can either do so over an open flame, which is perfect to add that wonderful char to the asparagus, or in the broiler. So we're gonna do it in the broiler, and we're gonna line our cookie sheet with foil first. So I'm gonna take my 2 pounds of asparagus and just spread it out over the cookie sheet. Next, I'll drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil over the asparagus and sprinkle a little sea salt. So I'm using a rather mild olive oil to drizzle over it, and in this case, it's an extra virgin gourmet arbequina olive oil. So then I have a little sea salt. I'm just gonna sprinkle over the top. And use it to your discretion, of course, if you like more or less, feel free to do so. And then we're just going to pop this in the oven. We're putting it under broil and going to be cooking it for about 5 to 7 minutes until the asparagus is cooked. First, I'll add my minced garlic. Next, I'll add my chopped anchovies, my chopped lemon thyme, olive oil, and for this recipe, we'll be using a single varietal, intensely flavored olive oil called piquol, which is a nice balance with the anchovies. And then our red wine vinegar. And in this case, I'll be using a Cabernet Sauvignon vinegar, also from Olive Oil Source. And then I'll whisk those together. And add a little salt and pepper. Okay, let's check on our asparagus. It looks like it's ready. Now that the asparagus is cooked, let's transfer it to our serving platter. Now we'll spoon our anchovy vinaigrette over our asparagus. So there you have it, an excellent side dish, perfect for asparagus with anchovies too. Let's go ahead and try it just to make sure it's okay. Just going to take a piece here. This is perfect. The toast from the asparagus, that little bit of broiled char quality to it, and the vinaigrette, it's just beautiful. Your guests are sure to enjoy it. And remember, you can find this recipe and many, many others by visiting oliveoilsource.com. Thanks for watching.